Alright, worked on a Husqvarna leaf blower today. Wood crank finally. Give gas, smother out. Took it apart. Carburetor stopped slam up. Exhaust stopped slam up. The screen, the mesh. Well, rebuilt the carburetor. Did some work to the exhaust. I don't know if you can see that. The exhaust is not going to be an issue anymore. The screen, I get rid of those. You might say, well, Michael, they're there for a reason. They absolutely are. For me to throw away. Good, powerful little unit. Got the carb rebuilt, got the exhaust modded. It even sounds good. All right.